I am not a human, but a picture as you can see.
How to make picture talk in mobile. Now, this is the image of Davido talking. If you don't observe carefully, you might think it's Davido himself talking, but it is the picture of Davido talking. And I did it with my phone, with a phone. So if you don't have a laptop, I got you. I got you covered. Now let me play the video again for 5 seconds. Please look at it carefully. You will see that it is a picture talking and not Davido himself.
I am not a human, but a picture as you can see. I know you are surprised, but don't be. That is the power of AI.
Let's get down to the reason why you are here. In this video, I will show you how to make an image talk. Let's put it like this: how to make picture talk. And you will make that image or picture talk in not more than 5 seconds. Yes, I said not more than 5 seconds. It won't even be up to 5 seconds. Before we make this image talk, let me show you how to remove image background. Maybe you don't like the background of that picture itself. Now, I will show you how to remove image background and insert the image or picture in the background of your choice. Now let's go to remove.bg. So I show you how to remove background of a picture. This is the home page of remove.bg. Now at the address bar of your web browser, whether Chrome or Opera Mini or any other web browser of your choice, at the address bar just write remove.bg and it will bring you here. Now once you are here, tap on upload image. Tap on upload image. Now once you've tapped on upload image, now tap any image you want to remove its background. Now let me tap Davido. Now tap done. Now this is the image. Now as you can see, it has processed. It have removed the background, the original background. Now let's check the original background. Now tap original here. Now this was the original background of the video. Now let's tap on removed background. Now this is the result of removing this image background. Now we can insert this image now in any background of our choice. Now when we are done removing the background, now tap on download. Now tap on download. Now if you tap on download, it will download to your gallery. Now go to your phone setting. In your gallery download, you will see the image that you have removed is background. Now is the time to make this image talk. Now let's go to hengine.com. Hengine.com. Let's go to hengine.com. Now heygen.com. Hengine.com. Now this is the home page of hengine.com. Now this is the website that will make our image speak. This is the website that will make our image talk. Now let's tap on try Hengine for free. It is completely free. Now let's tap on try Hengine for free. Let's tap on it. It's loading. Try Hengine for free. Now, once you tap on try Hengin for free, it brings you here. Now we can decide to make this image talk, but we are going to replace this image with our own copy, that is with our own image. Now to replace this image here, scroll down. Now once you scroll down, you will see tap on replace photo. Now you can tap replace photo. Tap on replace photo. Now let's use this Davido image. That is the image we want it to talk, to speak. Now let's tap on Davido's image. Now let's tap on done. Now, as you can see, it's replacing the photo. It's replacing the photo. Yeah. Now it has successfully replaced the original, the default photo, to Davido's photo. Now this is what we'll have here. Now if we want it to be onboarding, we'll tap on this button here. It will be like this, as you can see. Now if you want the photo to be used for business card, tap on it. Now this photo, this image of Davido will be talking in this business card. If you want it to be in form of e-card, tap it like this, as you can see. Now if you want it to be in the form of advertisement, tap it like this. In form of training, tap it like this, as you can see. But let's take it back to the real portrait. I just say, let me show you, in case you want to make an image talk in a business card, e-card, or advert, or any training you are planning to organize. Now since you've done that, since it's now in portrait, now let's scroll down. As you can see, they said edit your video script. Now, do you want it to be in a female voice? If you want the voice to be in a female voice, you tap on female. If you want the voice to be in male voice, a man's voice, tap on this male here. Now once you've tapped on male, now we are going to tap, that is, we are going to write the scripts we want this image to talk. We are going to tap, we are going to write the scripts. We are going to write the thing we want this image to talk. Now we can say, I am not a woman. I am not a woman. So I am not a woman. But I am not a woman. But a picture as you can see. I know you are surprised. You are surprised. But don't be. That is the power of AI. Let's stop here. Now as you can see, we just used 110 words. You still have more words to use. Now the number of words that this site can accommodate, can contain, is 500 words. So we still have more words. But let me just stop at here. Guys, let me stop here. Let me stop at 110 words. Now you cannot tap continue. Now once you tap continue, it will bring you here where you are going to write your first name. Write your name. Your last name. Let's start our last name. Then you add your email. Then they will now say, how did you hear about Hengin? if you had it in TikTok, you put TikTok. If you had it in Google, if you heard about this site in Twitter, if you heard about it in YouTube, in LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you hear it, anywhere, the first time you heard about this website, type on it. But you had it on YouTube, so put YouTube. Now you click on submit. Now you click on submit. Now once you click on submit, now they will send you this your image to the email you provided. Now let me go to my email. So I show you how this image is now talking. Remember, I said after clicking on submit button, after tapping on submit, this Hengin website will send you image talking. That is, your image will now be talking. It's as simple as that. Now let's go to my email address. This is my inbox, my email inbox. This is my inbox. Now Hengin sent me an email. Now you already know the content, but let's take a look at the content. Now tap on take a look. Now this is the results. Now let's play it.
I am not a human, but a picture as you can see. I know you are surprised, but don't be. That is the power of AI.